Kaspersky Small Office Security. Comprehensive protection for small business. All-in-one protection for computers, mobile devices, and servers. We'll show you how to install and set up the product in just a few minutes. After purchase, go to the Kaspersky portal, log into your account, and enter your license key. Download the appropriate version of Kaspersky Small Office Security. Launch the installation. The program automatically runs an initial scan to assess your security status. The main screen displays your device's protection status. The interface features three main sections for managing all settings. The security section includes virus scanning, malicious behavior blocking, firewall, and website access control. All protection components operate in real time. The performance section helps speed up your computer, create backups of important data, and enables a do not disturb mode so you can focus on work. The privacy section offers tools for handling confidential information, secure payments, a password manager, and a secret vault for sensitive documents. To manage all Office devices, go to the online console. In the licenses section, you can invite colleagues via email and view license expiration dates. The devices section displays all team computers and smartphones. You can remotely launch a scan or configure protection on any device. Kaspersky Small Office Security is now installed and configured. Your office is fully protected. Over 200,000 businesses already operate with confidence. Now your employees are protected wherever they are. Learn more at Kaspersky.com.